مادة اللغة الإنجليزية للصف الأول الثانوي، الكتاب 4، قراءة عبد البديع القباطي. English Language Subject for Grade 10th Book 4 Read by عبد البديع القباطي. تنفيذ المنتدى اليمني للأشخاص ذوي الإعاقة Implemented by the Yemeni Forum of Persons with Disability. Unit 4 الوحدة الرابعة Lesson 6 الدرس السادس Listening استماع Workbook page 48 كتاب الأنشطة الصفحة 48. Exercise A. Bill and Betty, a husband and a wife. Bill وبيتي زوج وزوجة are on holiday في إجازة. At the moment في الوقت الحالي they are writing to friends يكتبون لأصدقائهم. Who says what? Who says what? من يقول ماذا؟ Take the correct box. ضع علامة صح على المربع الصحيح. W. Wife. H. Husband. Listen. Band 1. Section 20. Band 1. Dear Elsie. Well, here we are. We had a terrible flight, but after we got to Need now, we stay at a beautiful little hotel. It's called Levinter. It's called Levister, and it's near the beach. Our ocean is very small, but then you can have everything, can you? The food is delicious, and I can get a lovely cup of tea, and the people at the hotel are ever so nice, very friendly, just like at home. We visited lots of interesting places. We are having a lovely time. I can't wait to come back next year. Betty. Band 2. Band 2. This letter is from Bill. Bill. We finally arrived after a horrible flight. It was terrible. It was terrible. I thought we are staying at a horrible little hotel. It's called La Vista and is about 3 kilometers from the beach. Our room is nothing to write home about. It's much too small for a wife and Len. It's above an old like restaurant. Which reminds me, the food here is awful. I haven't had a good cheese sandwich for a week, and the people, they never stop talking. Boring, boring, boring. And on top of that, we visited hundreds of boring castles. I can't wait to get home. I hope that you are looking after my kitchens. Jill's Bell. Now, who said, من الذي قال, we had a lovely flight? من قال, we have a terrible flight. Terrible flight, the wife and the husband. Wife and husband. كلاهما قال أن الرحلة سيئة. Dear Elsie, well, here we are. We had a terrible flight. This is Betty's letter. We finally arrived after a horrible flight. It was terrible. This is Bill's letter. So, wife and husband. Wife, take. Husband, take. Number 2. We are staying at a horrible little house. We are staying at a horrible little hotel. We are staying at a horrible little hotel. Husband. Husband said that. He said, we are staying at a horrible little hotel. We are staying at a horrible little hotel. Husband. We are staying at a beautiful little hotel. Wife. We are staying at a beautiful little hotel. Wife. Betty said, beautiful little hotel. Bill said, horrible little hotel. Number 3. It is 3 kilometers from the beach. It's near the beach. It's near the beach. Betty, the wife, she said, and it's near the beach. So take W, near the beach. 3 kilometers from the beach. Husband. Bill said it's 3 kilometers from the beach. Betty said it's near the beach. Number 4. Our room is very small. Our room is very small. W and H. Wife and husband. Wife and husband. Both of them, Bill and Betty, said that the room was very small. Number 5. The food is delicious. The food is awful. Who said the food is delicious? Betty, the wife. Wife said the food is delicious. Bill said the food is awful. Delicious, wife, awful, husband. Number 6. The people are boring. The people are boring. H, husband, because Bill said that. Bell said the people were boring. The people are nice. W, the wife. The wife said the people were nice. Number 7. We have visited lots of boring castles. Boring, B-O-R-I-N-G, مملة. Castles, قلاع. C-A-S-T-L-E-S-T silent. Castles. We have visited lots of boring castles. H, husband. We visited lots of interesting places. W, wife. Number 8. I can't wait to come back. The wife. Betty said, I can't wait to come back. She said that she couldn't wait to come back. But who said, I can't wait to get home? Husband. Bell said that he couldn't wait to get home. So these are the 2 letters of Bell and Betty. Now I will mention the name. Number 1, we had a terrible flight, both wife and husband. We are staying at horrible little hotel, husband. We are staying at a beautiful little hotel, wife. It's 3 kilometers from the beach, husband. It's near the beach, wife. Our room is very big, no one. Our room is very small, wife and husband. The food is delicious, wife. The food is awful, husband. The people are boring, husband. The people are nice, wife. We have visited lots of boring castles, husband. We have visited lots of interesting places, wife. I can't wait to come back, wife. I can't wait to get home, husband. Exercise B. Now write complete answers to these questions. اكتب إجابات كاملة على هذه الأسئلة. Question number 1. What did Betty say about the food? ماذا قالت Betty عن الطعام? What did Betty say about the food? Betty said that the food was delicious. She said that she could get a lovely cup of tea. Betty said that the food was delicious. She said that she could get a lovely cup of tea. Number 2. What did Belle say about the food? What did Belle say about the food? Belle said that the food was awful. Belle said that the food was awful. He said that he hadn't eaten a good cheese sandwich for a week. He said that he hadn't eaten a good cheese sandwich for a week. Belle said that the food was awful. He said that he hadn't had a good cheese sandwich for a week. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you very much. With the whole regards of Yemeni Forum of Persons with Disability.
مع تحيات المنتدى اليمني للأشخاص ذوي الإعاقة.